Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel of chaos again. Finally got the clutch cable. Little too long. I think it was 71 inches. You know what? 68 inches for just the tube, not including the cable. Fits perfect, I think. A little long, but like I said, better than being too short. Throttle cable. Now with the throttle cable, 51.5 inches works perfect on these 14-inch bars. But you get what you pay for. I ordered me some cheap $30 eBay ones, and the idle cable, or the one with the little spring, for some reason was a little too short, the cable itself, and was hanging up my butterflies on the intake, the throttle body. So I'm just running the regular old throttle cable on it now. Gonna order me some stainless steel ones. So super stoked to have this thing up and running. About to take it for its first journey with my son's iron head. Stoked on that. So yeah, he's still charging it. We got the alternator for it. I'm gonna throw that on probably today. Don't know. Again, I'm so busy over here with other people's projects and shit, but bikes are our main things right now. So that's what my son loves. So we're getting into it balls deep, y'all. So got this baby fired up, getting his charged up. About to head to Jamie's flea market over there in Amherst. So y'all can cruise with us. See y'all in a bit. Alrighty, let's roll. Never fails. Motorcycle parking. And we got cars over here. Shit. Ridiculous. Alright guys. Getting a little nasty out here. It's beautiful when we first started riding. But, I mean, look at that back there. I mean, it's getting nasty. We're about to get us some thunderstorms. But, hey, nothing like a good ride with some thunder going on. So, about to get a smoke session on. And then we got to roll the hell out of here and head back home. Because we got like 60 mile an hour gust out here. So, heading back. All right.
Feel the rain now.
See y'all. Had a buddy drop off a 1960s Sears Roebuck mini bike. Thing is awesome, so I'm going to go all out with it, try to restore it to its original color and everything. Of course, this thing has been around forever, and it seems like every kid has shooken a can of rattle paint at it. So I'm going to get it all cleaned up, get all that overspray off. I'm going to put some stripper on it, sand it down. Got the original motor on it too. I couldn't believe that. Haven't heard it run yet, but I'm gonna clean it all out, go through it all, and I know I'll get the damn thing running. So let's see what this thing turns out to be. Me and the kids going out for some family bonding time. Old Suzuki's been sitting for a little while. We had to give her some attention. Guys, we're gonna take a roll to AutoZone. I gotta go pick up a paint stripper, a few other things. Figure you can tag along with me. We can stroll through Amherst. Nice little town of Amherst. All right, buckle up, guys. Here we go. Let's roll. Alright, Joe, we made it to AutoZone. We made it here. See y'all in a bit. Alright guys, just got back from AutoZone a while ago. And yesterday when me and my son went for a ride, we got poured on, man. Oh, it was nasty. It was raining, thunderstorming. Yeah, we pulled the bikes in, got them all cleaned up and everything like that. And today we're going to start ripping the generator off of it. Taking that damn generator off. We got the alternator. Right, got an alternator, so we're going to slap that on there and see what it's like, and I'll bring you all right back. Got that little gear taken off of the generator, threw it on the alternator, getting the wire loom all done on it. I'll slap it up on in there. The wiring is a mess. I don't know where the hell some of those wires are even going to. Oil pressure light and some other gibberish in there. I wanted to put a fuse panel in that and get rid of that relay crap. Yeah, we're getting on it. Alright, we got that bad boy in there. Got it all wired up. Up under there, through the chassis on the other side. You ain't gonna see it. My Bubba's hooking up the battery now, so wish us some luck. Alrighty guys, got it all hooked up, got the battery in. We started it up and it's looking good here, but I tell you what, fire that thing up.
Alright, you good? You click it on run. There you go.
I can't read it no more.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. Looking good. I mean, we ain't getting no constant 13, but I don't think we are, so we're going to live with that. That's pretty damn good. So with that, guys, we're going to sign off. I think I got enough good content for y'all to check out. So until then, we're going to start throwing some more stuff on here. Again, I got 21-inch wheel on my wish list that I'm waiting for my Road King, so got some more projects coming along too, I think, in the future. All right, we'll see you guys. Take care now. Love y'all. Daughter just did my hair. Am I a pretty little princess? Am I a pretty little princess?
Snowboard through.
Yeah.
Unlocks as well.